to be a pelican. You have to fly and dive and scoop your food when you're a pelican. That's what you do. Sit upon an ocean wave on a buoy with your pelican best friend Dave. Spread your wings out in the sun when you're a pelican. That's what is done when you're a pelican. You're always having fun. But when the sun gets low, you lay your head with your pelican family in your pelican bed. Dream of skimming above the salty water's edge when you're a pelican. A happy life is led. Da 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 da.